Welcome to this tutorial on how to create shorts in Moomoo. Moomoo is a powerful trading platform that allows you to take advantage of various market opportunities, including short selling. First, you need to open the Moomoo app and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to create one by providing your personal details and linking your bank account for trading. Once you are logged in, navigate to the stock section. Use the search function to find the stock you want to short. Make sure to analyze the stock's performance and trends before proceeding. Understanding when to short is crucial, so look for indicators of a decline in price. Once you have identified the stock, click on it to view its detailed information. To initiate a short sale, look for the Sell option on the stock's page. Be sure to select Short Sell from the available choices. Enter the number of shares you want to short and confirm the order. It is important to monitor your position regularly, as the market can change rapidly. Set a stop loss to minimize potential losses in case the trade does not go as planned. After your short order is executed, keep an eye on the stock's price movement. If the stock declines as you anticipated, you can buy to cover your short position at a lower price to realize your profits. Ensure you understand the risks involved in short selling. It can provide significant rewards, but it also carries the risk of unlimited losses if the stock price rises instead. Happy trading!